Today we're going to review how to measure angles, and we're also going to take a look at how do you draw angles. So for the warm-up, can you draw a plane containing ray HI and line segment NO? Let's try my on. Okay. All right, so we'll start with a plane, a flat two-dimensional surface. Okay, so here's a plane, and it has ray HI. Okay, I'm going to draw my ray this way. H has to be the endpoint, and then it goes to I. And then line segment NO, we can put that anywhere. Here's NO. Okay, so review. This is what we did yesterday. How to measure angles. Look at the angle and estimate. Is it acute, obtuse, or right? Turn your paper so that the starting line is horizontal. Place the center of the protractor on the vertex of the angle and line up the horizontal edge. Start at 0, find the measurement, and then check your answer. So we're going to do those steps below. Measure the following angles. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller here. Okay, let's do WXY first. So WXY is this angle. Start at W, go to X, and then to Y. All right, so let me pull up my protractor, my drawing here. Oops, I did too many. Let me turn it and resize it. Okay, and also let me extend this angle. So here's WXY. Okay, so let's measure that angle. Start at 0, and it looks like it's, I can barely read this. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, maybe about 72 degrees. Okay, let's do the next angle, WXY. There's a few of them here. All right, XYZ. Sorry, I want to do XYZ. So again, I will stamp here. Of course, this should go a lot quicker for you if you have your protractor. Okay, X, Y, Z. So start at X, and here's Y. So here's X, Y, Z is this angle right here. Let's pull this up. Oops, oops. All right, so you put the middle of the vertex, line up the angle, and we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. All right, so here it is 60 degrees. And again, you check, does that look acute? Yeah, it does look acute. It looks like it could be 60 degrees. So here it is, 60 degrees. Let's put that here. All right, we have one angle left on this one, YZW. So let's find YZW. That's this one. This one looks acute. I mean, not acute. It looks obtuse to me. It's this angle. Again, it's YZW. It looks obtuse. So we're going to put the stamp. Okay, let me extend the angle here. This is where I would turn my paper, but since it's on here, I can't really turn my paper. But I would turn my paper so like this is the bottom, so I'm going to do it upside down. And turn this. I'm going to put this at the bottom. And then put the vertex here. Start at 0, and this looks like it's 100, 110, 122 degrees. Oops. Let's pull this protractor. So this angle looks like it's 122 degrees, sorry, 122, which makes sense, it's bigger than 90. All right, let's do this triangle over here. So we have three angles. RPQ is the first one, RPQ. So this angle, looks like it's 90, but let's double check. So again, I'm gonna pull out my protractor, rotate it. I'm gonna leave this one big, how about? And then draw on my angle here. Okay, we pull this over. This looks like, yep, 90. You can see it's a little bit off because I didn't make it straight, but this looks like about 90 degrees. Okay, the next one is PQR. Let's write this down, 90 degrees. All right, PQR. PQR is this angle. It looks acute. Let's draw our lines here, make them red. Pull this down. Put the middle here, and the middle goes in the vertex. Line this up. Start at 0. Looks like it's 56 degrees, which makes sense because it's acute. And the last angle, which I can't see, QRP. Okay, let's do it in green. QRP. So it's this angle. Again, I'm going to turn my protractor. I would turn my paper, but not to turn my protractor. Put this in the vertex. Start at 0. Looks acute. Looks like it's about 35 degrees. So this angle's 35. Okay, so we'll practice that in class, just measuring again. Again, it takes practice to get good at it. But now, we're not going to only measure angles today, we're going to draw angles. So to draw angles, use a ruler straight edge to draw a straight line. Place the middle of the protractor in one of the endpoints. Starting at 0, measure out the angle, make a mark, and then connect. Alright, so first step, draw a straight line. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so here's my straight line. Then you take your protractor, and I should have done my straight line. I should pull out my protractor first. Protractor. Okay, now I'll do my line. Oh, I don't want it there. Ooh, I am having problems now. Okay. There we go. So here's our line. At one of the endpoints, I'm going to start at this endpoint right here. Pull over my protractor. Just straighten this one out a little bit. It's a little bit crooked. Okay, and I want to do, I forgot what angle this is, 50-degree angle. Okay, so starting at 0, find the 50, here it is. I'm going to mark it. And then we remove the protractor, and we connect it. So we would say this is a 50-degree angle. Okay, let's try the next one, which is 67 degrees. Okay, so let's use a different color. I'll do it in the opposite way. Let's start over in this corner, and let's do 67 degrees. Turn this a little bit. Alright, so 67, this time it's zeros on the outside, so 67 is about right here. We'll mark it. And then we'll connect. So it's still a acute angle. This one's 67 degrees. Alright. 2 left, and then you're going to practice measuring and drawing angles today. Alright, well, you know what a 90-degree angle looks like, but how do you make one? So let's pull up our protractor. Alright, let's draw our line, 90 degrees. Pick an endpoint to start at. Put this here on the endpoint. 50 degrees, so start at 0. We're going to start with the inside number. 0 to 50 is right here. And we'll connect our line. Alright, so this is, oh, that was 50 degrees. I'm sorry, we had to do 90. Let's try that again. 90 degrees. Here's 90. Okay, now we move that. 90 degrees. Okay, last one. It's an obtuse angle, 120. Let's start with our line. I'm going to go from the other corner. Put on your compass. Your protractor, sorry, not compass. Protractor, measure 120. So here we have to start at 0. Notice there's a 120 here, but if you marked it here, it would be acute. So we have to start and go all the way over to 120. And we'll connect our angle. Okay, so today you're going to practice drawing and measuring angles.